Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to activate your Watsons card for 2025. If you're a shopper at Watsons, that popular pharmacy and beauty chain, activating your card can unlock exclusive discounts, reward points, and personalized offers. It's a game changer for saving money on your everyday essentials. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have your Watsons card in hand. It usually comes with a unique activation code on the back. In 2025, Watsons has streamlined the process with updated tech, so it's quicker than ever. Start by grabbing your phone or computer and heading to the official Watsons website or app. Look for the Activate Card button. It's right on the homepage for easy access. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Watsons account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, creating an account is straightforward. Just enter your email, set a secure password, and verify your details. Pro tip: use a strong password with numbers and letters to keep your account safe in this digital age. Next, enter your card's unique code into the activation field. Double check for any typos to avoid errors. After that, you'll likely get a verification step, like a code sent to your email or phone. This is Watsons' way of ensuring security, especially with the new 2025 updates that include two-factor authentication. Once verified, your card should be active. You might see a confirmation message or an email summarizing your benefits. Now, let's talk about what you can do next. With your card activated, start earning points on every purchase. For example, buy your favorite skincare products and watch those rewards add up. Remember, some promotions might require you to link your card to your Watsons app for real-time updates. If you run into any issues, Watsons customer support is just a click away through their chat feature. Activating your Watsons card is a simple way to enhance your shopping experience in 2025. Give it a try today and start enjoying the perks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.